We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and in today's video I will unbox this Arlo 3 Pro security camera. We'll show you how my box kit looks like, what accessory this camera comes with, and so on. So without further ado, let's open this box here. So on top I have two IP cameras. Then let me clear here. Then if I were to open this little cover here, or the camera compartment, you'll see that in the box kit we are also getting the power hub, or the Arlo just hub. And well, you obviously get all the accessories that you'll need to operate this thing. For example, you get the charging adapter as well as the charger. This charger is needed to charge the cameras. So here are the charging ports. They are magnetic, so put them like that. Plug the wire in the electricity, provided with electricity, and this way you can, well, charge your cameras. By the way, if you want to know how to take them apart, just hold this button in, the camera pops right out, then try to take it out. You can press this button even further, because the more you press it, the more pressure the camera is affected with, so it's getting pushed out. As you can see now, you can just, while holding this button, take the camera itself out. Here it's compartment, the camera itself, and you can also take out the battery and replace it, or you can just charge your camera. That's up to you. You can just swap the batteries or charge the camera. Let me quickly assemble it back. And in order to assemble it properly, as you can see, it has this ridge here. You'll need to push the camera all the way inside until you hear a very distinguishable click. Here it is. Returning to the box, you also get the power supply. This is the power supply. Let me put the camera into a wider angle. This power supply is for this powerhouse. As you can clearly see, one end goes into the power input, and then you just plug this charger into your sockets. Then you also get an Ethernet cable, and as you can see, you also get a bunch of stuff that allows you to mount this camera onto the wall, like these handles here. You also get all those screws, wires, dump hole, and so on. Also get all of this stuff. Here are the charging adapters that allow you to, well, to use your chargers with different types of power sockets, since in Europe they are somewhat the same in the majority of countries, but there are a few countries that have their power supplies or power socket standards different. So in order for the, well, good to be certified in the European Union, it has to include all those adapters. So if you were concerned whether you'll get them, yes, you do. Another things to mount your cameras on the wall, or whatever you would like to have it or mount it at. And also we get this cute little folder that contains all the paperwork, which we will not get into now. Anyway, that will be it for this video, guys. If you have any questions left, do not hesitate to leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.